Okay, you see my screen, and if you see this is the our group where we discuss so many things before and after trading, right? So this is yesterday we are looking for trade, and finally we have that trade. This is the trade. I will explain this trade a little bit later after we discuss a very few basic thing, right? Now, what is engulfing? We already know engulfing is like this, right? It's like this. This is the one we call engulfing, is it?
Yes, this one.
This is the very basic one we learn from everywhere when we see any engulfing candle, right? So go to YouTube, they will tell you this is the engulfing candle. Go to internet and in website, they will see this is the engulfing. So what this candle means is this red candle is fully eaten by this green candle. That means this green candle or this red candle is covered fully by this green candle. Let's say you and me, we are working in a road, right? And I am a little bit healthier than you, and I goes 2 step in front of you, and someone a little bit in front of us who is not seeing you because of me, because I already fully covered, right? You already fully covered by me, right? So in a theoretical way, this is the definition of engulfing, and we call it a engulfing, regular engulfing, which we already know from different sources, right? Now remember, for any you when you use your MT4 or MT5 or the trading view, what color you use for read the buy and sell candle? Is it green or red?
Yeah.
Okay.
Red for sell, green for buy.
Okay, so remember, this is the regular engulfing, right? So we have something else, we call it irregular engulfing. So for that irregular engulfing, we need two combination of color. What I said, two combination of color, not the candle. What we need? Combination of color. You will see a little bit later, but remember that line or this line what I said just now. But before going to anything, let do something is the formation of any candle. Let's say this is a bullish candle, right? This is a bullish candle, and when you have a candle, we are going to have a wick, right? 99% time we are going to see a wick, right? You hear?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
what is the formation of this candle? Look at this so carefully. This is the opening of this candle, right? This is the opening of this candle. And then what it did, it goes a little bit down, right? It goes a little bit down. And then what it did, it goes all the way to upper side. Is it? All the way to upper side. And
Yes.
and then it came a little bit down, and then it is the closing. Sorry, just do it once more time. This is the opening of that candle, and it came a little bit down and goes to the upper side and came a little bit down, and this is the closing. This is the formation of this candle, is it? So in a term, what we are going to call it, what happened first? It opened, right? We open here, and then it goes to higher, it goes to low, right? And then it goes to higher, that means high. And then what happened? It closed, right? Sorry, it closed. So what we calling it? OHLC, right? We are calling it OHLC, right? Now let's see the formation of a sell candle, right? This is the sell candle, and we are going to have a wick, right? This is the sell candle. So what is the formation of this sell candle? This candle open here and goes a little bit upper side, come down to the downside and goes to a little bit upper side and close. Is this the formation of this candle?
Yes.
And now in a written way, what are we going to call it? It open first, and then it go to high, right? And then it go to low, and then close, right? So we are calling it OHLC with the selling one, but the bullish one we are calling it OLSC, right? Right. Now it will become handy why we are doing it like name like OHLC and different one, right? So now it will be easier to understand why we did that. Also, do you remember I said like we need two color combination to become an engulfing one with the irregular one? Okay,
Yes.
okay. Now look, this is an engulfing which is a regular engulfing, is it?
Yes.
And now we are trying to identify the irregular one, right? So which one you want to see first, the bullish one or the bearish one?
Start with bullish.
Okay, everyone, I'm not sure why everyone want to start with the bullish. Every time when I ask someone like what which one you want to see first, every time they say like okay, start with the bullish. So okay, for the bullish one, what we need first? A bearish candle, right?
Yes.
And when you have a candle, remember we have high and low also, right? So this is
Yes.
the this is the wick, and we have
Yes.
our high, we have our low, right? For the irregular engulfing one, we always mark high and low, not the open and close. Remember, not the open and close. We mark high and low. Okay. Now, remember what I said? We need what? Color combination, right? It doesn't matter how many candle it take to break out. Also, let's say we have this candle which is a bullish one, right? Which is a bullish one. We are going to have a wick, right?
Yes.
And then we are going to have another bullish one which is just here, and then let's say we have a wick which just gone a little bit opposite, and then do that way. And are we going to calling it a bullish engulfing now? No,
No.
we need a candle which will break this high with body.
Okay.
So when this candle closed with body and break out this red candle high, we are going to call it a engulfing buy now. You got my point? You
Okay.
got my point?
And
Now, now, remember what I said. We need what? Color combination. We need what? Color combination.
triple
Now let's
combination.
say we have this candle. We have this candle which become a sell candle again after this buy candle, right? After this buy candle. So now this is a sell candle. This is a sell candle. Are we matching any color combination here? We need two color combination to look a bullish one, right?
Yes.
So now we are matching the color combination. So when we have a different color one like the red, again we are going to shift our zone from here to there. You got my point?
Yes.
That's why initially I said we look for what? Color combination. When you have this again the color like this one, now we are going to call this particular zone, like this particular zone is a bullish engulfing, not this one now. You got my point?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's see the bearish
So
engulfing
I
one.
have a question too. So is it just the high that it has to
Yes,
engulf?
yes, that's why. Yes, it doesn't matter. Like, let's say this candle do that part also, right? And it may create a dozy, right? It create a dozy candle. So until we are looking for engulfing buy, because this candle is our base candle, right?
Yes.
So until this high is not breaking out with the body, we are not going to call it an engulfing.
Okay. I
Okay,
understand.
okay, now let's say again it is just do that if it and this candle is like that. Do we going to are we going to call it is an engulfing buy?
No.
Why? Because it did not break out with the body,
The
right?
body, yeah.
So when it happened with the body, we are going to call it an engulfing. That's why in the beginning I said we need color combination, two color combination. It should be, if we are looking for the buy, it should be red and green, right? Doesn't
Yes.
matter how many candle, it may be one candle, it may be two candle, it may be 7, 8, 9, 10 candle, until this high is not break, right? You got my point?
Yes, I do.
Okay, now let's go to the bearish one. For the bearish one, what we need first? We need a bullish candle, right? When we have a bullish candle, we definitely going to have a wick, right? We are going to definitely have a
Yes.
wick. So when you have the wick or the shadow, what we do? We mark the high, we mark the low. In
Low.
this particular case, what we need? This low has to be broke by a bearish candle.
Okay.
Is it? So let's say we have a sell candle here. and the next candle we are also going to sell candle here. Is it a bearish engulfing?
Yes.
Is it a bearish engulfing? Okay,
Yes.
it is a bearish engulfing. Now let's say this is the bearish one, but we have a bullish candle here, right? We have a bullish candle here. In that particular zone, we are moving our this high to here and this low to here, right? Now this is our base because we need two color combination. Okay, now we may see this and and this red color, red color. So can we call it an engulfing cell
Yes.
because it break out with the body.
Okay.
Right now you can ask like, okay, we know it is an engulfing cell, we know it is an engulfing buy, but why we draw it? Why? What is the reason behind of it, right? So you see my chart clearly. Okay. So when we have an engulfing sale zone, this is an engulfing sale, right? We expect when market goes back to our sale zone, we may have a sell. This is the reason we identify this engulfing sell. You got my point? Also, when we draw this engulfing buy, what we expect now? When market will come back this engulfing buy, what we will see? Maybe a buy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, now you got that whole part, like everything I said on from here to there, everything you understand?
Yes. Understood.
Okay. Now let's go to if I remove it, do you have any problem? Like if I remove it, like we need to see something on the real chart. Can I remove it?
No. Yes, you can.
Okay. So look, now look what we are going to see in our chart. Let's start from the yesterday what we have in our chart, right? What we have here, is it an engulfing cell?
Yes.
And why we draw that engulfing cell? Why we draw that engulfing cell? We said we expect when market goes back to that sale zone, we may see a sell, right?
Yes.
Okay, so look what happened when market goes back to that reason. It starts selling, right? It start
Yes.
selling. Do we have any engulfing cell here? Is it an
Yes.
engulfing cell? So what we expect here?
Yes.
When market goes back to that zone, what we expect? It
To
starts
check.
selling. Is it? Is it? You got my point?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
again, look for few example, more few example. I'm going to show you like something a little bit, just after we finish the example one, right? Example one. So, is it an engulfing buy? Is it an engulfing buy?
Yes.
So, when market come back to an engulfing buy, what we expect?
Back.
Buy. Is it an engulfing buy? Market did
Yes.
not come back, but if it come back here, what we expect? We are going to see a buy,
Back.
right? We are going to see a buy. Now look, is it an engulfing buy? And
Um. Yes.
when market come back to here, what we see? And buy. Is it an engulfing buy? Is it an engulfing buy?
Yes.
And 1 2 3 candle, this is the breakout, right? And when market come back here, what we see?
Back.
Buy. Now go to daily. Is it an engulfing buy?
Yes.
So when market will come back here, what we expect?
For the
We expect to buy, right? Sorry. So it start buying from here, right? Is it an engulfing sale? And when market goes back here, what we are seeing, market start selling. So
Yeah.
we have only 6 thing in our chart. You want to know what were those 6 thing?
Yeah.
Okay, what we just cover is an, let's say, this is an engulfing cell. We just cover our engulfing cell, right? We covered our engulfing cell. So this is engulfing cell. So again, now we have engulfing buy, right? We have engulfing buy. So this is our engulfing buy, right? This is our engulfing buy. So we covered this engulfing cell, we covered this engulfing buy. But sometime we will see market, let's say, okay, now when you have this engulfing sale, right? When you have this engulfing sale, what is our expectation? When market will come back to our sale zone, what we are going to see? What we are going to see?
So,
SL, right? SL, right? Okay, just when it goes back there, we are expecting. Okay, what happened? When it goes back there, we are going to see a sell, right? And
yes.
this is an engulfing buy. When market come back to our this buy zone, what we are going to see? A buy, right? So these are the two things you will see always in the market. So like engulfing sell, engulfing buy, engulfing sell, engulfing buy. But sometimes you will see, let's say this is an engulfing sell, right? This is an engulfing sell. And you want to, what is our expectation now?
Price to come and sell.
And what we are going to see, maybe like this, and then this candle started and this is a bullish one, right? We are calling it a breakout, but we are also calling it an engulfing. Is it an engulfing sale? And this sale did not hold. We did not see any sale, and eventually we are seeing it is going to the upper side, right?
Yes.
So we are going to call it an engulfing failed. Okay, it is an engulfing fail. Now look at this one. It is an engulfing red candle. It is a red candle, and we are seeing something like this, which is an engulfing buy, right? It is an engulfing buy. We have drawn our level. We are expecting market come back here. We are looking for buy, but instead of that one, we are seeing something like this. Now is it becoming an engulfing failed? You got my point?
Yes.
So we have covered engulfing sell, engulfing buy, engulfing sell failed, engulfing buy failed. Is it?
Yes.
Now look. Now go to the chart. What it is? An engulfing sell.
Engulfing sell.
And
Yes.
when market goes back to this level, this sell, what happened? It came back a little sell, right? And then
Yes.
it eventually did what? It failed here, right?
Yeah.
Now look
Yes.
again, look again, go to 1 hour time frame so that we can see more clearly, more clearly. Okay, what it is?
Engulfing sell.
And what happened here?
It broke out.
And we are calling it a fail.
Yes.
Okay, what it is?
Engulfing buy.
Buy. Market try to touch it and then goes, right? And then
Yes.
what we have here?
Engulfing buy.
Buy. What we have here? Engulfing buy.
Engulfing buy.
What we have here?
Engulfing buy.
And what we have here?
Engulfing sell.
What we have here?
Engulfing sell.
Right. So either in our chart we are going to see either it engulfing buy or sell, buy or sell. Or if buy or sell is not holding, then we are going to see something which is called failed, right? Which is called failed. Now what we are left with? We are left with these three this same color candle. See this same color candle which we called open and close candle. You see this candle? One, two,
Yeah.
three.
Yes.
and you see this candle, this candle.
Yes.
So what we are going to call it? Open and close candle, right? Now,
Yeah.
what I said, mark this one, mark this one. It is an open and close level, right? It is,
Yes.
and now go one time frame lower, a little bit lower. I have a little bit net connection today, issue today. What it is here?
Engulfing.
Okay, now again, we saw that level, right? Now this is an
Yes.
open and close candle level, right? This is an open and close level. So do we have
Yes.
anything here? No. Let's go to one time frame lower. Do we have anything?
Yes. Engulfing.
Okay, again, um, any level when you have an open and closed level, any level. Let look at this one here perfectly. Uh, uh, we have we have this is an engulfing buy, right? No doubt, this is an engulfing buy, right? This is an engulfing buy, and we have this is an engulfing buy, right? Right, and we have this is an engulfing buy, right?
Yes.
So we have missed this level, right? This particular level.
Yes.
So look at the 15 minute. Do we have anything here?
Yeah.
Everything is engulfing buy or engulfing sell. Or if it is not buy and sell holding, that what we are having? Engulfing failed.
So,
Right. So today I am going to give you a homework. Only identify 20 engulfing buy and 20 engulfing sell. Right. Do not look any reaction what happened when this market come back to those zone. We will see it
okay.
tomorrow with the fail. Right. Tomorrow with the failed one. And tomorrow, today, tomorrow, and next class will be only based on the candle reading, right? Every single candle we will read candle by candle, candle by candle. Once you master candle by candle, and then we are going to do the more details and more depth. For now we need to know how this market work, right? How this market work. Look from here eventually, look from here eventually. We have this engulfing buy, right? We have this engulfing buy. We are here, we are here. Look at this, we are here. This is the engulfing buy, right? This candle, and this candle, what happened? Market goes back to your engulfing zone and start buying, right? Start buying. Let's say you miss this open and close level, right? Open and close level. Let's go to the 5 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. Just give me a minute. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Why is the chart? Okay, where is the chart? Where are we? Okay, we were here, right? We were here. Look what we have here. Look what we have here. In that exact particular gap level, we have this engulfing cell, right? We have this engulfing cell. Now it is become a failed one, right? And when it failed, what we have also here? This engulfing buy. And then market tapped where? Right? And then it start going up. So for train your eye, we need to look every single candle by candle. What's going on with the market? Max 7 to 8 session, you will catch every single move from this top to this bottom to this top. You will see everything so clearly, what's happening, what's going on with the market,
Interesting.
right? As a
I'm happy because I think I understand my girlfriend handled the way I just understood it the traditional way that uh,
yeah,
just one candle to one candle and go.
yeah, that's the reason. As I said, every single candle has something. This is an engulfing cell. Then we start to doing of what? Gap, 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 right? Everything is gap, but no, it is not. Go to 5 minute. Go to 5 minute. Look what we have on each gap. Look, this is an engulfing. This is an engulfing, but this is still a gap. This is still a gap. Do you think it is a gap yet? No. Go to a little bit time frame
No.
lower. This is still an engulfing. Look at this. You say gap, gap, right? People say, oh my god, look what happened. This movement started from this gap. No, no, look something here. You will see something. You will see something. This is the 1 minute. That's why maybe we do not go there. Just give me a moment. I have something to show you. Recent movement started to flipping from a gap. Maybe look at anywhere. I'm going to show you. Um, this level, it is a gap level, right? It is a gap level. It is a gap level. Now go to a little bit lower time frame. Little bit lower time frame. What we are going to see, they will call it a gap level. Still it is a fresh gap level, right? It is a fresh gap level. Now you will see something. Just look what we have here. This engulfing buy, right? And that buy failed where? Here, right? Right here. Now go to 15 minute. Go to the 15 minute. My network had some issue today. I'm not sure why. Look, look, look what we have here, right? And what we expect when market come back to your sell zone.
So,
And what happened here? Just a minute. Just give me a minute. And what happened here? Every single movement has a reason. Every single movement, right?
sorry, what time frame did you go to first?
We will start from daily, as it is the very first day for you. Very first day for you. I have to go from every time frame, like here. But by time maybe 6 or 7 session, you will know. You will go with me, run with me, everything.
Okay.
Okay. Is it is a very basic session. I also, I also don't do like this thing. I do not do like this thing. I don't like, for the learning purpose, first 3 or 4 session, right? First 3 or 4 session, maybe I will go from here to there. But when you done with your basic, I always work with the live market. Like market is here, I work with this market. I do not go from, like, let's say wait, let me give the example. You will understand. This whole move is already done. This whole move is already done. I can make 1,000 reason from this bump, top to bottom, this bottom to this top. 1,000 reason, because this is already done. I already know what happened here, and I can make 1,000 reason. This is the reason, this is the reason. No, I do not teach like that way. You go to the Telegram, the superhero group, you will see everything I do from the real chart, like here to here, what we are seeing, what we are going to do. But for the basic learning, we do a little bit back data. Okay. So, okay, Afsa, welcome to the brotherhood eventually, and this is the best thing we'll see. Trust me, you are in the best group. Not even for me, the group you're in, everyone is so helpful. Everyone is so broad-minded and so open to trade. Like anything you ask, if anyone is available, they will reply.
Okay.
Okay. Happy to see you, happy to see you, and I hope maybe in 1 month you will destroy the market like me, Shakir, Shams, and everyone is doing, right?
Inshallah. Hope so too.
Okay, have a great day, and I will see you on a Monday.
Okay. What
Okay.
time?
Just in the Monday, when you first came to online, just ping me like I'm okay, and this time is it suits you. If not, I will
Okay.
tell you, right?
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.
You too. Bye.